Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we will quickly cover how to duplicate an entire page in Microsoft Word without losing any of your formatting or layouts. First, open your document. We need to see the hidden formatting marks to make sure we copy everything perfectly. Go to the Home tab at the top of your screen and click on the Show and Hide Paragraph icon. It looks like a backward P. With those marks visible, use your mouse to highlight all the text, images, and tables on the page you want to duplicate. Once everything is selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. Now place your text cursor at the very end of that page. Press Ctrl+Enter. This is a keyboard shortcut that inserts a clear page break and instantly drops you onto a fresh blank page. Once you are on the new page, simply press Ctrl+V to paste. Everything you copied will appear exactly as it was on the original page. To clean things up, go back to the Home tab and click the Show and Hide icon one more time to turn off the formatting marks. And that is all there is to it. Your page is perfectly duplicated. If this quick guide was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more direct tech tutorials.